Have you ever wondered how the professionals gets their audio sounding crisp and clear without any noise? Today I'm going to show you how when you're going to get your audio sounding like really crisp without any background noise. Perhaps you recorded an audio in a place where it's noisy or the audio is not just clear. Perhaps you used a low quality mic or you use your phone, like most content creators that don't actually have mics to use when they're recording their video, and they use probably just their phone or a cheap mic. Which show you how you can get that audio sounding like a really crisp and really good. And so we're going to show you how you're going to change the background of your video. Perhaps you recorded a video and the background is not good and you don't like the background. I'm going to show you how you can actually change the background of your video. Now let's get started. The first tool we're going to talk about is Adobe Audio Enhance. This is going to go to podcast.adobe.com/enhance. First thing you want to do is you want to click on sign up or sign in with Google. So once you're in, you can see clean up audio for free with Adobe Podcast AI. Drop your files here, the audio only 30 minutes max. So you're going to drag and drop whatever audio you want. So you're going to drag and drop whatever audio you want. Once you drag and drop it, it's going to say upload here, and it's going to take like a few minutes to upload, and it's going to analyze the audio. And once it's done, you're going to get a really crisp sounding audio. I'm going to play the before and after so you can see how big the difference is. Here's the before. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be comparing the image to This is what AI does. This is like really good. This is like insane. This is like really crisp without any noise, any background noise, and you can do this easily. Now the next tool, we're going to be removing the background of this video, and for that we're going to be using Adobe Firefly. This is like one of the best tools you can actually play with right now. You could just go to your video you want to edit. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm using CapCut. I have my video dragged, I've dropped it in CapCut. I want to change the background because, as you can see, I don't like this background. I want to change the background to something like way better. I'm just going to take a screenshot of this frame, and when I take a screenshot, I'm just going to drag and drop it into Adobe Firefly. If you get on Adobe Firefly, your page is not going to be looking like this. You're going to have a page that looks something like this once you've logged in, and we're going to click on Generative Fill. Once you click on Generative Fill, it's going to ask us to upload an image. We're just going to drag and drop the screenshot we took, because that's what we're going to be using to change the background. It's going to drag and drop the image. So it's going to, then once you drop the image, we're going to be erasing the size you want to remove from the image. This is the background, because we're going to generate a new background. So I'm just going to increase the size of the brush by clicking bracket keys, and I'm just going to paint wherever we want to add new background. Clear up the background that I want to remove, because I want to replace the background. If you accidentally clean the image of yourself or whoever's in the video, you can just click on subtract and paint over it to add it back. So once we're done, we're just going to type in what we want. Okay. Let's see. It's actually tricky, and this image I'm using, the quality is not the best, so it's better for you to use a video that has like better quality. For example, or the screenshot has to be like of a better quality. You can also upscale your screenshot so you can get the better quality generation. So I'm just going to click generate and see what background it generates for me. It's going to take a while to process, probably like a minute, depending on how busy your server is. As you can see, the background is generated. This background is not good. Like, background is like really weird. So I'm just going to click on more for it to generate another background. So you can see the backgrounds, they're actually like really weird. This is what they don't show you in tutorials. They just act like these tutorials are actually perfect, like like AI is perfect. And AI isn't perfect because we're still early. So this is what I wanted to show. It's not actually perfect. You have to try it a couple of times before it would actually generate something really decent. Taking a whole lot of time and it's not actually generating what I want. So that's what I wanted to show. AI is not actually perfect. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. So I'm just going to scroll through and look for a background that I like. Oh, okay. I like this one. This one looks decent. As you can see, this looks okay. I'm just going to download that and I'm going to drag it into CapCut. And you want to have your image that you want to change the background or your video. You want to have your video above and the image below, or the background below. And you just go to where it says video and click on cutout. And it's going to automatically process and cut out your self, and it cuts you out of the image. And as you can see, it is processed and it has removed me from the background, and it separated me from the background. And you have to click on the actual layer you want to change, not the background layer, before you click on cut out. So as you can see, one other thing you can actually do is resize the background or the foreground. You can also use a downloaded image and you can just replace the background easily if you don't want the AI to generate. But the thing is that using AI to generate a background similar to the image you uploaded, that's why it's better for you to use an AI generated background. You can just drag and drop your background and you can see the background is not really ideal for this video, and I use a low quality video just for this tutorial so we can see the extremity of everything and how if you want to do this you actually have to do it in a plain background, like probably a white wall or a plain colored wall, so you get the best results. I hope you found this tutorial useful and I hope you like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.